Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to install a few different computer parts. As you can see, there are various parts with different functions. However, I'm going to mainly focus on the ones most people have trouble with. While these parts are relatively easy to install, they are also easy to mess up and break. These parts include RAM, the SSD, and the graphics card. I'm going to show you what to avoid when installing these parts so you can potentially save some money. This is a RAM stick. A big mistake a lot of people make is not acknowledging this notch and putting the stick in the wrong way. Doing this could bend the pins and prevent it from working properly. You want to make sure you have this notch lined up with a small piece of plastic in the RAM slot within your motherboard to install it correctly. You also want to make sure to apply just enough pressure until you hear a click to know it's secured. Another common mistake involving RAM are its compatibility with specific motherboards. Different motherboards are only compatible with specific types of DDR RAM. DDR meaning double data rate. Double data rate ranges from 1 to 4, and newer motherboards are typically only compatible with DDR4 RAM sticks, while older motherboards only accept older DDR RAM sticks. Reading the user's manual and researching your motherboard's compatibility online using websites like Newegg or PC Part Picker will prevent you from purchasing incompatible parts. Moving on to the SSD, or the solid state drive. The SSD is a storage device which is typically inserted directly into the motherboard. Now, something to watch for is the angle at which it is inserted. You might think to insert it parallel to the motherboard, however you want to have the SSD tilted at a 30-degree angle. Once inserted, the SSD should spring up, and to secure it, you screw down the opposite side so it now sits parallel to your motherboard. Finally, the graphics card, or the GPU. The GPU is responsible for rendering graphics and processing a large amount of data. This is a very expensive component, which is why it's crucial to make sure you know how to install it properly. People typically forget to flip the switch down, which unlocks a slot, allowing you to insert it. Make sure you push down on the switch when inserting, apply an even amount of pressure on both sides until you hear the click, similar to the click you heard when installing the RAM.